good morning. So we are going to discuss about your dimension analysis today. Before discussing about your dimension analysis, we'll try to understand again your units. Okay, units ஒரு தடவை நம்ம பார்த்துக்கலாம். திரும்பி ஒரு தடவை discuss பண்ணலாம். Okay, so units it's important part. So unitsல வந்து there are four types are there: MKS, CGS, FPS, and SA. And SA. FPS வந்து it is a foot pound second. Foot pound second. So we don't use this term in Indian conditions, so we are removing it. Okay. Now MKS on the it is a meter, CGS on the it is centimeter, meter, kilogram, second. CGS on the it is a centimeter, gram, second. And SI on the it is international standard unit and so like. Okay, let's see. So MKS on the in this meters, meter and centimeter, it is for your length measurement, kgs and grams for your mass measurement, and time is for your seconds. Okay, let's just understand your SI. So SI is your international standard unit. There are three types and so like. Already we have discussed it. Fundamental units, 7 types. After that, derived units and so like. Then we'll see that we have seen the supplementary units. Fundamental units is 7 types. So those are your mass, basic quantities. Either miss mass, second one length, okay, and third one time. Okay, apart from these three, fourth one is your temperature. Fourth one is your temperature. Fifth one current. Sixth one amount of substance. Okay, and the seventh one luminous intensity. This already we discussed pannadam. Now we are going to see your physical quantities apart from your MKS and CGS. Let's see. For example, so I'll take some physical quantities. So adula physical quantities basically I'll take force. This already we use pandra term da force. So force relation is nothing but your mass into acceleration. Force F is equal to mass into acceleration. And this MKS unit so mass is nothing but your kg and acceleration is nothing but your meter per second square. That already we discussed pandra. And the CGS is nothing but your grams centimeter per second square. Already we know that. But apart from that, MKS and CGS, there is one more thing, SI unit and so like. Under this SI unit, adala SI unit MKS irukku, CGS irukku. Under SI unit, MKS, we call it as Newton. Remember, under SI unit, we call it as Newton. And under SI CGS unit, we call it as dyne. Remember the terms. Under SI MKS, it is your Newton. Under SI CGS, we call it as dyne. Okay. Same thing for your work. Work is nothing but your force into displacement relation. Force is nothing but your kg meter per second square, and displacement is nothing but your meter. Same thing, together gram centimeter per second square into centimeter. So it is nothing but your kg meter square per second square and kg centimeter per second square. This is MKS and CGS, which you already done in last week itself. Okay. Now SI unit. SI unit for work under MKS. Remember, SI unit for work under MKS, we call it as joule. We call it as joule. And SI CGS, we call it as erg. ERG. Remember it. Same thing for your energy also. Energy and work are almost similar. Energy and the potential energy is same unit, kinetic energy is same unit. Remember this case. Under SI unit MKS, it is joule. Under SI unit CGS, it is your erg. Okay, remember these cases. So this is your SI units. SI unit and solumbodhu, just remember these are nothing but scientist names. Engage scientist names ella varudhu adella on the SI units. Let's see, for example, pressure and solve. Okay, so pressure and solumbodhu. So you already know Pascal and solrom pressure. So let's see the relation. So third one is your pressure. Third one is your pressure. Pressure relation and it is nothing but your force by area. Okay, pressure is nothing but your force by area. So in this pressure, MKS pakla. MKS and solumbodhu, it is a kg meter inverse second power minus 2. Okay, so those who know, so they already remember this one. This is nothing but force. Force is kg meter per second square, and inge area on the meter square. So meter square meter will get cancelled, so we can get kg meter inverse second power minus 2. And other CGS varumbodhu gram centimeter inverse second power minus 2. Okay, now idhe on the pressure and solumbodhu, pressure under your CGS unit, that is your SI unit. SI unit on the we call it as a Pascal, PA. Pascal and solla. Remember Pascal and solla, or force on the Newton. Newton area on the meter square. So this is your SI unit. Okay, so this is your SI unit for pressure. Please take it. நீங்க step by step நீங்க note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Pressure SI unit, that is one. Okay, so under pressure SI unit there is one more thing called CGS unit. இதுக்கு CGS unit இருக்கு. So CGS unit of pressure நான் வந்து Pascal convert பண்ண முடியாது because Pascal is your SI unit. Now CGS unit சொல்லும்போது, so already நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் SI unit or MKC is nothing but Newton per meter square. So CGS unit dyne per centimeter square. Dyne per centimeter square. Okay, remember this case. Let's see for your power. Power is equal to work by time. Remember, power is equal to work by time. Work on சொல்லும்போது it is kg meter square second power minus 2 divided by second. Okay, அதே வந்து when you are converting into numerator, it is a second power minus 3. Second power minus 3. This is your unit. Okay, let's see same thing when you are converting this one to CS. It is gram centimeter power to second power minus 3. So this SI unit and சொல்லும்போது for the power we call it as watt. You already know this one. Power is watt. It is under SI unit, MKS. Okay, R. Okay, work is joule. Work is joule. Time is second. Joule per second and சொல்லலாம். R for SCGS it is erg per second. R erg second inverse. These are your SI units. Okay, please take it now. Is few examples மட்டும்தான், எல்லாமே நம்ம வந்து பண்ண முடியாது. So just for your case, just understand this one. After that we'll see the conversions also. Please take it. Those who are having doubts, please let me know. Okay, if it's over, please let me know, ma. Okay, others, is it over? Yes, ma. Okay, good. So let's see next one. Yeah, ma. Okay, good. Next one, see, we just seen SI unit MKS form, அதே மாதிரி SI unitோட CGS form. அது மட்டும் தான் நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம் for few physical quantities. Okay, so இது பேஸ் பண்ணி வந்து you can able to, and remember உங்களுக்கு வந்து physical relation உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சாலே you can able to convert into units directly. So அதனால வந்து no issues. Same thing, ஒரு சின்ன example பார்க்கலாம். You already know about the Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law, that is a force equation, that is your universal gravitational constant as சொல்றோம். F is equal to capital G m1 m2 divided by r square. In the relation நீங்க already படிச்சிருக்கீங்க. Okay, and capital G is nothing but your universal gravitational constant. Now what I'll do, in the gravitational constant ஓட MKS unit, CGS unit and as well as எனக்கு SI unit நான் பார்க்கணும். Let's see. G is equal to, I'll rewrite this relation as F into R square divided by M1 M2. Okay, இதோட MKS unit பார்க்கலாம். MKS unit நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா எல்லாமே வந்து I'll try to convert into your meters kilogram second. Okay, அதே மாதிரி CGS னா centimeter gram secondல நான் convert பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Force is kg meter second power minus 2 and R square வந்து it is nothing but your meter square divided by mass and சொல்லும்போது it is kg square kg will get cancelled, so it is a kg inverse meter cube s power minus 2. This is your MKS unit for universal gravitational constant. அதே மாதிரி CGS unit என்னது gram inverse centimeter cube s power minus 2. Remember this case. Now this is your universal gravitational constant. Same thing, what I'll do, I'll take this in SI unit. Just simply force another, force is nothing but your Newton, R is nothing but your meter square. So M1 and M2 is nothing but your kg square. Newton meter square per kg square. And here it is dyne centimeter square per kg square. Sorry, gram square. Centimeter square per gram square. This is your SI unit. Okay, please take it. Okay, now, so this is one of the example. So earlier நம்ம என்ன டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம்னா MKS CGS அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி டைமென்ஷன்ஸ் பார்த்திருக்கோம். now வந்து SI யூனிட் ஒன்னு இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். So let's see இந்த conversions இருக்கு. இதுல வந்து சில conversions இருக்கு. Earlier we have just only seen the MKS and CGS. Now we are going to convert. Conversion எப்படி இருக்குன்னா when we convert MKS to CGS or CGS to MKS. MKS to CGS convert பண்ணும்போது there will be a constant term will be there. Okay, அதே மாதிரி CGS to MKS வரும்போது there will be a constant term will be there. Okay, let's just see. ஒரு சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்க்கலாம். So those who are in class 12 உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். So நீங்க உங்களுக்கு வந்து மேபி ஒரு சின்ன டேர்ம் மட்டும் தான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிருப்பாங்க அக்கவுண்ட் ரிலேட்டட் டு மேக்னெட்டிசம். மேக்னெட்டிசம் வந்து மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட். there is a term unit called Tesla, capital T. Okay, and இதோட CGS யூனிட் வந்து Gauss ன்னு சொல்றோம், capital G. Gauss வந்து capital G. 1 Tesla is equal to 10 power 4 Gauss ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு those who already completed the magnetism, those people know it. 1 Tesla is equal to 10 power 4 Gauss. இந்த மாதிரி constant conversions இருக்கு. So Tesla is your MKS unit and Gauss is your CGS unit for magnetic field. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி relations எல்லாம் வருது. Now what we are going to do, we are going to convert this MKS and CGS step by step நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Okay, so for that நம்மளுக்கு easiest physical quantity என்னது? Force. What I'll do, I'll take a force, I'm going to convert it. Let's just see one example. Here, just make a heading, conversion of MKS to CGS. First MKS to CGS பார்க்கலாம், then we'll see about the CGS to MKS. First example, force. We know the force relation. Force or unit தெரியும். Force or unit another under MKS, it is a kg meter second power minus 2. Under CGS, it is gram centimeter per second. Centimeter per second square. This is your MKS and CGS. இதே SI unit வந்து Newton. இதே SI unit வந்து it is your dyne. Okay. Now question is MKS to CGS தானே நம்ம கன்வர்ட் பண்றோம். 1 Newton is equal to dash dyne or 1 dyne is equal to dash Newton. This is your question. Okay, 1 Newton is equal to dash dyne or 1 dyne is equal to dash Newton. Those who already know, it's better. So those who don't know, please concentrate here. So what I'll do, so இந்த மாதிரி conversion பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி, so first of all, அதனால தான் நான் வந்து we are doing these MKS and CGS conversions. MKS and CGS conversions are important. Okay, let's just see. So what I'll do, I'll take first of all MKS conversion. So 1 Newton, the conversion is nothing but your kg meter second power minus 2. What I'll do, I'm just converting into CGS, that is your gram centimeter second power minus 2. So just see that 1 kg is equal to your 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to your 1000 grams, or I'll take it as 10 power 3 grams. So it is a 10 power 3 grams into, just we are doing the multiplication. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter equal to your 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, or I'll take 10 square centimeter. 10 square centimeters. இங்க வந்து kgs க்கு பவர் கிடையாது, மீட்டருக்கு பவர் கிடையாது. So 1 kg is equal to 10 power 3 grams. 1 meter is equal to 10 square centimeters. And seconds ரெண்டு சேமா இருக்கு. So we can say that 1 Newton is equal to, இங்க பார்க்கும்போது power terms we are going to add it, 10 power 5. 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dyne. It is your MKS to CGS conversion. Direct unit base பண்ணி நம்ம கன்வர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். Okay, so remember நான் வந்து dimensions base பண்ணி நான் கன்வர்ட் பண்ணல, dimensions base பண்ணி கன்வர்ட் பண்ற மெத்தட் வந்து டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு. Okay, by using the units, that to MKS and CGS, we are converting the constants MKS to CGS. Okay, let's see. இதே வந்து நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா dyne to convert பண்றேன். நல்லா பாத்துக்கோங்க, MKS வந்து CGS கன்வர்ட் பண்ணும்போது the power terms should be positive. Okay, MKS to CGS convert பண்ணும்போது the power terms should be positive. 10 power plus 5. Okay, same thing when you're converting from CGS to MKS. When you're converting CGS to MKS. CGS to MKS na another 1 dyne. So here it is 1 dyne is equal to dash Newton. So reverse side it is a 10 power minus 5 newtons. Remember this case. CGS to MKS வரும்போது, so the power terms should be negative. So MKS to CGS and சொல்லும்போது the power terms should be positive. Remember this case. நம்ம வந்து 1 or 2 examples நம்ம பண்ணலாம், then we'll go to the dimensions. Okay, so those who are having any doubts, please let me know. Okay, others please take it down. Please take it down. or ma? Yes, good. Okay, good. So let's see one small example here. Okay, similar type, we are going to convert MKs to CJs. For that, I'll see some physical quantities, one or two examples. நம்ம தெரிஞ்ச quantities எடுத்துக்கலாம். First one is your work. Second one is your universal gravitational constant. Okay, let's see. Work MK is unit, SI is joule. I'm going to convert 1 joule to your erg. 1 joule equal to how many erg? And same thing, as a universal gravitational constant unit is Newton meter square per kg square. Remember, Newton meter square per kg square. And I need to convert into dyne centimeter square per kg square. Let's just see. First, I'll take work. So work, I need to convert 1 joule to how many erg? So that is your MKS unit under SI, and that is your CJS unit under SI. Let's see. So joule and சொல்லும்போது I can convert into MKS. Full MKS formula நான் convert பண்றேன். It is nothing but your kg meter square second power minus 2 is equal to dash grams centimeter square second power minus 2. நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஷார்ட்கட் தான் கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். So when you want to convert this one, there is a method. That method is with respect to your dimension analysis. அது நம்ம discuss பண்ணலாம். Okay. So first of all, இது வந்து shortcuts நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். So these relations are important, easiest and important. Okay. So 1 kg is equal to, it is a 10 power 3 grams. And meter square, remember here it is meter square. Okay, 1 meter is equal to, it is 100 grams. So it is a 10 square. So but square இருக்கிறதுனால என்ன ஆகும், 10 square whole square ஆகும். It is a 10 power 4. So 10 power 3 into 10 power 4. Seconds change ஆகாது. So which is equal to, so 10 power 3 plus 4 is equal to 10 power 7. Remember, 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 erg. 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 erg. This 10 power 7 erg, so MKS to CJS இருக்கிறதுனால it is positive. Same thing when you want to convert, 1 erg is equal to, it is a 10 power minus 7 joule. 1 erg is equal to 10 power minus 7 joule. Please take it. Okay, this is for your first one, 10 power 7. Let's see the second one. Second case, this is your universal gravitational constant. The relation is Newton meter square per kg square. I'm going to convert directly into dyne centimeter square per, okay, kg square. Convert பண்ணு. So இங்க வந்து Newton already நம்மளுக்கு தெரிஞ்சதுனால it will be very easy for us. 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dyne. 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dyne, and 1 meter square is equal to 10 power 4 centimeter square. நம்ம already இங்க பண்ணிருக்கோம். 1 meter square is equal to 10 power 4 centimeter square. So it is a 10 power 4 centimeter square divided by, இங்க வந்து denominator இருக்கு, kg square இருக்கு. So 1 kg is equal to 10 power 3. நல்லா பார்த்துக்கோங்க, 1 kg is equal to 10 power 3 grams. அப்போ 1 kg square is equal to 10 power 6 grams square. So it is 10 power 6, which is equal to, இது வந்து 10 power 5, 10 power 4 இருக்கு. இது என்னது 10 power 5, 10 power 4, 10 power 9 divided by 10 power 6. So 10 power 3. 1 Newton meter square per kg square is equal to 10 power 3. It is a dyne centimeter square per kg square. But still, so it is nothing but your MKS to CJS conversions. அதனால positive வரும். Okay, so if you want, you can convert into CJS to MKS. CJS to MKS another 1 dyne centimeter square per kg gram square is equal to 10 power minus 3. It is a Newton meter square per kg square. These are your relations. Please take it. So those are having doubts, please take it. Any doubts, ma? Make it fast. Super, ma. Okay, good. Good. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about your dimension analysis. Dimension analysis உங்களுக்கு last class la நம்ம discuss பண்ணிருக்கோம், which is nothing but your ML and T form, correct? So which is nothing but your M, L and T form. Okay. Now, so in the ML and T we already discussed. Now we are going to discuss about the applications of your dimension analysis. Applications. What are the uses? What are the applications? Where we are using applications of dimension analysis? In this applications of dimension analysis, there are three things are there. ரொம்ப important இது கண்டிப்பா வந்து we'll get the questions. உங்களுக்கு போர்டுக்கு important தான் as well as நீட்டுக்கு important. First one to convert a physical quantity from one system of unit to another. So which is nothing but your example is nothing but your MKs to CJs or CJs to MKs. Other than conversions or a system of unit conversions, MKs to CJs or CJs to MKs. Earlier we discussed with the units, with the help of units. Now we are going to discuss with the help of your dimension analysis. Okay. Second one to check the correctness. Correctness of a given physical quantity or physical relation. To check the correctness of a given physical relation. Okay. So third one to derive the relationship between physical quantities. To derive the relationship between physical quantities. All three methods are important, applications important. Okay. Step by step number போலாம். We'll check what is first one. First one வந்து ரொம்ப easy. So already நம்ம வந்து first one direct method நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம். Let's see the indirect method with the help of your dimensions. Okay. Now for the first one, so let's see இதுக்கு வந்து சின்ன relation தான் இருக்கு. So you have to remember இது வந்து it will be useful for your board exams. Okay, இது வந்து indirect method. Step by step நம்ம solve பண்ணாதான் we'll get the full marks. இது boardக்கு. ஆனா நீட்டுக்கு whatever the method I have explained you earlier, அது easiest method. Let's see. So here I'll take a small example here. So let's see, assume there are two physical quantities. Okay, units and solar. Two units. U1 ஒரு unit, U2 வந்து ஒரு unit. So this unit of system, it is nothing but MKS. Either a unit of system வந்து I'll take the CJS. நான் வந்து first method தான் நான் சொல்றேன். Okay. So நான் வந்து MKS வந்து CJS or CJS வந்து MKS convert பண்ணும்போது there should be a constant term. Okay. So I'll take this one as N1 U1. I'll take this one as N2 U2, where N1 and N2 are your numerical values. Okay, so numerical values are constant values. Let's see one by one. So what is U1 and what is U2? So U1 and Solomon already solid. So here, whatever the relation, whatever the physical quantity is there, we are going to convert into units. Unit convert பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா there should be a dimensions. And the dimensions என்ன ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கும்? M, L and T. Okay. So இது வந்து ML and T இருக்கும். But when we are discussing about the units, it has its own power terms இருக்கும். So for the powers, I'll take M power A, L power B, T power C. Okay. So same thing for U2. U2 is equal to, I'll take here, இது வந்து M1, I mean U1 nala, I'll take 1. Here M2, U2 nala, I'll take M2 power A, L2 power B, and T2 power C. Okay, U1 and U2. These are the two things. Now, what I'll do, I'm going to substitute in the upper part. First equation. Substitute பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும் இது? N1, நல்லா பாருங்க, N1, M1 power A, L1 power B, T1 power C is equal to இது. And one more thing, நான் last classல சொல்லியிருக்கேன், I think so தான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். Dimensions வந்து we are only multiplying and dividing. Dimensional analysis law, we are only multiplying and dividing. We are not going to add it or we are not going to subtract. Okay, remember this case. So they madri n2 into m2 power a, l2 power b, t2 power c. Okay, remember. So what I'm going to do, so I have to convert MKS and the CGS convert pananuma, CGS and the MKS convert panano, depends upon this relation, we are going to use it. Okay, this is on the first method or a relation. Please take it. So if you take it, after that we will discuss some problems on these cases. Take it. It's the first method. The first method now this one. To convert a physical quantity from one system of unit to the other with the help of this relation. Please take it. We'll see a small problem here. So first problem, first method or a problem that we will. Okay, so here the question is convert 1 joule into earth. Convert 1 joule into air, which we already done it. நம்ம வந்து already இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பண்ணிருக்கோம். டைரக்ட்டா வந்து unit convert பண்ணிருக்கோம் MKS to CS. Now with the help of dimensions we'll see that. So let's see. So dimensions base பண்ணி நம்ம பாக்கும்போது நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லிட்டேன் joule வந்து ergக்கு நான் கன்வர்ட் பண்றேன். So I'll take joule as U1 and erg as U2. Remember it, joule as U1, erg as U2. அதோட ஃபார்முலா என்னது? N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Okay, now இதோட யூனிட் ரிலேஷன் பார்க்கலாம். MKS யூனிட்டா நான் வந்து கன்வர்ட் பண்றேன். MKS யூனிட் என்னது? வர்க்குக்கு ரிலேஷன் என்னது? வர்க் இஸ் nothing but your force into displacement. So joule ன்னு சொல்லும்போது it is nothing but your kg meter square second power minus 2. Okay, நல்லா பாத்துக்கோங்க. This is your MKS unit. இதே வந்து நான் டைமென்ஷன்ஸை கன்வர்ட் பண்றேன். டைமென்ஷன் பண்ணும்போது என்னது? kg is nothing but your mass. Remember மீட்டர் கிடையாது. mass capital M இருக்கு, இது small m இருக்கு. Mass kg power 1 இருக்கு power. A is equal to 1. And m is nothing but your meter. So it is L power 2. And second is nothing but your time, T power minus 2. So I'm just comparing to M power A, L power B, T power C. So compare பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும்? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to minus 2. Okay, these are your constant values, power term constant values. Right? Let's see. So now in the formula relate பண்றேன். So N1 into M1 power A, L1 power B, T1 power C is equal to N2 into, it is M2 power A, L2 power B, T2 power C. Okay, what I need to find? I need to find a constant term under erg. Okay, joule கிடையாது. Joule வந்து என்னது? Joule is equal to 1. That means here N1 is equal to 1. What are the constant? In the numerical value இருக்குல்ல? It is nothing but your constant. That means N1 is equal to 1. Okay, and எனக்கு N2 நான் find it பண்ணணும். That is your N2. Relation பார்க்கும். So N2 நான் find it பண்ணணும்னா what I'll do? இதெல்லாம் வந்து divide பண்றேன். So divide பண்ணா இது என்ன வரும்? N1 into, it is M1 by M2 power A. So ஏன்னா வந்து power same ஆயிருக்கு இங்க. Second one, L1 by L2 power B. And T1 by T2 power C. இது நல்லா பாருங்க. So this conversion is used for MKS to CGS. நீங்க வந்து CGS to MKS ன்னு சொல்லும்போது you can convert it. No issues. Okay, so already I told you the constant conversions numerical value another 1 joule and கொடுத்திருக்கா. N1 is nothing but your 1. So N1 இங்கே 1 into So first M1, L1, T1 are your MKs, M2, L2, T2 are nothing but your CGS. Now that's convert பண்றேன். Okay, so M1 is nothing but your mass. Okay, it is nothing but your kg by gram power A. A is equal to 1. And L1 is nothing but your meter. So it is meter by L2 is your centimeter power 2. And seconds, S by S, power minus 2. Okay, so seconds cancel out. It will be 1 only into. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So it is 1000 grams divided by grams power 1. Grams cancel out. And here meters is nothing but 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter divided by centimeter. So centimeter will get cancelled. So seconds already cancelled. 1 power minus 3 is nothing but 1, which is equal to. So it is a 10 cube into 10 cube into either 10 square whole square. So which is equal to 10 cube into 10 power 4, which is equal to 10 power 7. Okay, that means N2 is equal to 10 power 7. Remember, N2 is equal to 10 power 7. So 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 earth. This is your conversions with the help of your dimension. Okay, இது நீங்க step by step solve பண்ணாதான் you will get the marks in your board exams. இது வந்து dimension analysis base பண்ணி தான் நம்ம discuss பண்றோம். Units base பண்ணி கிடையாது, dimension analysis அதோட process. Okay, please take it. We'll do one more sum. Okay, please take it. Doubt இருந்தா கேளுங்க. Hello? Any doubt, ma? Is it over? Others? Okay, good, ma. Good. Super, ma. Let's see one more. Yes, okay, thank you. Next one, second question. Second example, Pakla. Second one. So question is, so you already know about the universal gravitational constant. நம்மளுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச டமே போலாமே, இதுக்கு புதுசா போறது. So அது நம்ம clear-ஆ இருந்தாலும் போதும். So the value of capital G, remember the value of capital G in CGS system, in CGS system is 6.67 into 10 power minus 8. நல்லா பார்த்துக்கோங்க, 6.67 into 10 power minus 8, and it is not MKs, it is CGS. It is dyne centimeter square gram power minus 2. Okay, so here they have given the question capital G in CGS unit, 6.67 into 10 power minus 8. Okay, now so calculate the value in SI unit. Calculate the value in SI unit, that is your MKS, SI unit for MKS. Okay, so SI unit. Let's see the relations part. So the relation is capital G is equal to F into R square divided by M1 M2. அப்போ இதோட யூனிட் என்ன ஆகும்? இட் இஸ் a நியூட்டன் மீட்டர் ஸ்கொயர் per kg ஸ்கொயர். இது ஆல்ரெடி நான் வந்து கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். Okay, the conversion for this MKS is kg inverse, okay, meter cube second power minus 2. Okay, this is your MKS unit. Okay, now what I'll do, I'm going to convert this into your dimensions. M power a is nothing but -1. Okay, L power 3, T power -2. This is your dimension analysis for capital G. Okay, now what we need to find, we are going to find the constant value, okay, for this CGS unit. That means MKS unit la na convert pananum. Okay, let's see the relations. Now already solte N1 or N2, it doesn't matter, you can convert it. Okay, so the relation is, so N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Now what I'll do, U1 on the CGS in the, okay, and I'll take U2 as MKS. Okay, now let's see the relations. Formula enna solrena? Formula is nothing but your N2 is equal to N1 into, okay, N1 into, it is a U1 by U2, that is N1 into, it is M1 by M2 power A, L1 by L2 power B, and T1 by T2 power C. T2 power C. This is your relation. Okay, let's see what is A by C. So A is equal to -1, B is equal to your 3, C is equal to -2, so which you already know it, right? So and M1 M2 sorry, M1 L1 T1 என்னது, M2 L2 T2 என்னது பார்க்கலாம். So what I'll do, ஒரு சின்ன டேபிள் காலம் பார்க்குறேன். So here CGS and here it is MKS. So it is M1 L1 T1, it is M2 L2 and T2. So M2 என்னது, M1 is nothing but your grams, CGS nala 1 gram, and it is a 1 centimeter and it is 1 second. Okay, and M2 என்னது, it is 1 kg, okay, and it is 1 meter and it is 1 second. I'm going to convert. Let's see. So N1 வந்து இங்கே N1 நல்லா பாத்துக்கோங்க, இங்க வந்து N1 is nothing but your constant. இங்க constant என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, earlier questionல வந்து 1 joule ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Here constant is 6.67 into 10 power -8. So N1 is equal to, நல்லா பாத்துக்கோங்க, N1 is equal to 6.67 into 10 power -8. What we need to find, we are going to find N2 here. Okay, let's just see, try to understand. So N1 is nothing but your 6.67 into 10 power -8 into M1 by M2, that is 1 gram divided by, it is 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. I'll take like this directly. Okay, A another A is nothing but -1, and L1 another, L1 is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter divided by, it is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, power, it is a 3. Same thing second. So it is a second by second, it is power -2. Okay, now so now the substitute பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் grams centimeter will get cancelled. Second will get cancelled. It will be 1 only, which is equal to 6.67 into 10 power -8. இது வந்து 1 by 1000. I'll write as 10 power 3. 1 by 10 power 3. The inverse பண்ணா 10 power -3 வரும். 10 power -3 -1. Okay, 10 power -3 -1. Okay, and here 1 by 100. இது வந்து 10 square. So 10 power -2 whole cube. Okay, let's just see the relation. 6.67 into 10 power -8 into 10 power +3 into 10 power -6. நல்லா பாத்துக்கோங்க, 10 power +3 into 10 power -6. இது 10 power -2 into 3. Okay, 10 power -6. ரெண்டு ஆட் பண்ண என்ன ஆகும், 10 power 3, 10 power -6, it is 10 power -3. So the relation is 6.67 into 10 power -8 into 10 power -3. So when you add these two, it is 6.67 into 10 power -11. Okay, it is nothing but your N2. Okay, it is the N2, 10 power -11. Okay, it is the constant. So the unit is, it is dynana Newton meter square per it is kg square. This is your unit, okay, for capital G. Please take it. Without doubt in the, please take it. Earlier on we have discussed MKS to CGS. Now we have discussed CGS to MKS. Okay, please take it. இது lengthier method தான். இந்த lengthier method வந்து it is for your school exams. That's it. Okay, direct method நான் already சொல்லிட்டேன். So இவ்வளவு பெருசா நீங்க வந்து நோட் பண்ணாதான் you'll get the marks. So especially when they asked you for your conversions with the help of dimension analysis. Okay, please take it. Is it over? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Good. So good, ma. Super. So now either conversions you already know it. Please do practice. நீங்க வந்து வேற எதுவுமே homework எதுவுமே தேவையில்லை. So it's already there in your textbook. நீங்க textbook தரவா இருந்தாலே போதும். Whether it is NCERT or whether it is your state board textbook. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு textbooks. நீங்க வந்து clear textbookல பண்ணுங்க. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in next class. Okay. Now we'll see the next application. Second application in your dimension analysis. This is ரொம்ப important. Okay, so this is nothing but checking the dimensional consistency of equations. Okay, we can say that checking the correctness of equations. Correctness of equations. Correctness of equations. ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் சொல்லும்போது ஒரு பிசிக்கல் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் நம்ம கொடுக்குறோம். அந்த பிசிக்கல் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் அந்த கரெக்டா இருக்கா இல்லையா செக் பண்றது தான் வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் திஸ் டைமென்ஷன் அனாலிசிஸ் we are using it. Let's see. சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்க்கலாம். So those who already done the motionless straight line, these people know it. There are three equations. இது 10th classல இருக்கு. There are three equations are there. V is equal to u plus at. Second one, S is equal to ut plus half at square. Third one, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. 10th classல படிச்சிருப்பீங்க graphical methodல you may have derived it. இதே டாபிக் தான் நம்ம next chapterல derive பண்ண போறோம். Three methods இருக்கு to derive it. Let's see. So இந்த three equations இருக்கு. We have to check whether these equations are correct or not with the help of your dimension analysis. அது எப்படின்னு பார்க்கலாம். I'll take an example. சின்ன example பார்க்குறேன். I'll take the first equation. V is equal to u plus at. Before starting this correctness checking and all, first of all on the physical quantities என்னது அதோட unit என்னது we have to understand. So first equation another v is nothing but your final velocity. V is your final velocity. So the unit for velocity is nothing but your meter per second. Okay, and u is nothing but your initial velocity. Again the same unit which is nothing but your meter per second. And acceleration is equal to velocity by time, which is equal to meter per second square. And the time as usual it is nothing but your second. Okay, now இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்றேன் நான் எல்லாமே வந்து dimensionsல convert பண்றேன். Dimensionsல convert பண்ணும்போது it is so meter per second. Remember it is a meter per second. Meter per second னு சொல்லும்போது mass கிடையாது. m power 0 l power 1 t power minus 1. This is for your velocity. And acceleration வந்து mass கிடையாது. நல்லா பாத்துக்கோங்க இது m னா வந்து meter length. m power 0 l power 1 t power minus 2. I'm just converting into dimensions. These are your dimensions for your velocity and as well as your acceleration. இதே term வந்து I can rewrite mass power 0 நால it is 1. So L power 1 T power minus 1 னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் சிம்பிளா எடுத்துக்கலாம். அதே மாதிரி இங்கே L power 1 T power minus 2 னு சொல்லிட்டு I can take it simply. So remember M power 0, L power 0, T power 0 ஏதாவது இருந்தாலும் it will be 1 only. Now, so equation correctness எப்படி செக் பண்றோம்னா with the help of homogeneity principle. Okay, homogeneity principle நீங்க வந்து ஆல்ரெடி மேத்ல நீங்க படிச்சிருப்பீங்க LHS is equal to RHS. That term same term நம்ம வந்து பார்க்க போறோம். But இந்த termல remember additions வந்து we are not going to consider. Remember dimensions we are not considering these additions or subtractions. Okay, so for that நான் என்ன பண்றேன் இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்து நான் ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்றேன். எப்படி ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்றேன்னா v is equal to u ஒரு பார்ட் and v is equal to at ஒரு பார்ட். v is equal to u ஒரு பார்ட் and v is equal to at ஒரு பார்ட். இந்த மாதிரி வந்து நான் தனித்தனியா நான் ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Let's see the relations first of all. So in the relation what is v? V is equal to final velocity. Final velocity அதோட term என்னது? It is L t power minus 1. Okay, this is nothing but your LHS. And same thing u another it is also your initial velocity, same unit, same dimensions, L t power minus 1, which is equal to RHS. So we can see that it is homogeneity principle satisfied to LHS is equal to RHS. But in the equation correcta இல்லையா check பண்ணனும்னா ரெண்டு terms same தான் இருக்கணும். That means first set இது second set. Second set here v is equal to your lt power minus 1 is equal to acceleration என்னது lt power minus 2 into t. Again it is nothing but your lt power minus 1 which is equal to your LHS equal to RHS. ரெண்டு சேமா இருந்ததா the equation is correct. Remember this guys. நான் வந்து ரொம்ப லென்த்தியா எடுத்துட்டேன். Those who don't know for them only I am telling you. Okay, those who already know it நீங்க இந்த ரெண்டு sums நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணலாம் ரெண்டு equations. Okay, so let's see the second equation. So those who already know these terms, please do the second and third. Those who really don't know, so I'm just explaining you the second and third. Second equation, S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S na another S is your displacement. It is nothing but your meter. Okay, that means length equal length m power 0 l power 1 t power 0. Okay, is the displacement. Let's see. Now என்ன சொல்லிருக்கேன் இந்த plus இருக்கிறதுனால I'm not going to consider it. So for that I'm going to split that relation. S is equal to ut and S is equal to half at square. And dimensions lo constant values varadu. So we are not going to consider the constants also. Okay, constant values varadu. So like 1, 2, 3, half, 1, 0.5, 1.5 அதெல்லாம் வராது. Only அதோட physical quantities based பண்ணி தான் we are going to check the correctness of relations. Clear? So displacement we already know, which is nothing but your length L, which is equal to u is your initial velocity lt power minus 1 and t is equal to seconds, it is a t cancel agum. So L is equal to L, LHS is equal to your RHS. Okay, this is the first set. Second set, so displacement is equal to 1, which is equal to acceleration another lt power minus 2 into t square. So t square cancel agum. So LHS is equal to RHS. Here also L is equal to M. So this is your second equation. So second equation is correct. Let's see the third equation. Third equation another v square minus u square is equal to 2as. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. நான் என்ன சொல்லிருக்கேன் நெகட்டிவ் இருக்கிறதுனால we are going to split it னு சொல்லிருக்கேன். So இங்க வந்து dimensionsல remember dimensionsல வந்து நெகட்டிவ் subtraction னு சொல்லிட்டு வராது. Addition வராது and subtraction minus term எதுவுமே வராது. Okay, let's see. So v square is equal to 2as and u square is equal to 2as. Okay, so இங்கே பார்க்கும்போது தெரியுது it will be equal only. So v is equal to lt power minus 1 whole square is equal to two constants வந்து எனக்கு வராது. Dimensions we won't consider the constant terms. We can remove the constants. So in the 2 I'll remove it. So only physical quantities மட்டும் இருக்கு. Acceleration என்னது lt power minus 2 into L, so which is equal to L square t power minus 2. So it is LHS is equal to RHS, correct? And here it is LT power minus 1. So it is L square T power minus 2, which is equal to LT power minus 2 into L. So it is again L square T power minus 2. LHS is equal to RHS. So with the help of dimensions, we are checking the relations, physical relations, equations. Okay, please take it on. Those who are having doubts, please let me know. Step by step போங்க, ரொம்ப ரஷ் வேண்டாம். இது ஈஸியா இருக்கிறதுனால தான் நான் ஃபாஸ்டா போறேன். We'll do more practice on the problems. Okay, please take it. Orma. Okay, others, any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, ma. Thank you. Okay, what I'll do, I'll give some physical quantities, some equations now, or 5 equations now. Please check it. Suppose if you cannot able to do, I'll do it. Okay, so I'll give some physical quantities. I mean physical equations. First one, half mv square is equal to mgh. You have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS with the help of your dimension analysis. Second one, Fs is equal to half mv square minus half mu square. So you already know the physical quantities. All quantities உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். So for that, I'm not giving you individually. Third one, lambda is equal to h by mv. Lambda is equal to h by mv. So h we call it as Planck's constant. H is your Planck's constant. Planck's constant. So if you want, I'll give the dimensions also. The dimension for this Planck's constant is m L square t power minus 1. Okay, and m is your mass, v is your velocity, lambda is your wavelength. Length and sonale, it is nothing but your meter, unit on the meter. Okay, let's see fourth one v is equal to square root of 2gm by r. V is equal to square root of 2gm by r. So v is your velocity, and m is your mass, r is your radius, g is your universal gravitational constant. Okay, so let's see fifth one. So fifth one, which you already know it, but still, t is equal to 2 pi root L by g. Okay, t is time, L is length, g is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity and universal gravitational constant, two are different terms. Acceleration due to gravity na, so இது வந்து acceleration na, but because of the gravity it will try to attract. இதோட small g வந்து similar to your acceleration, which is nothing but your meter per second square. So இதோட value வந்து it is 9.8 meter per second square or approximately 10 meter per second square. Okay, so these are your 5 equations. So check it whether these equations are right or wrong. Check பண்ணுங்க one by one. So please do, ma. Everyone, please do it. Is doubt in that? I'll explain. Okay, I'll do it. ஒரு தடவை check பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So let's see first one வந்து start பண்ணலாம். So first one வந்து the relation is half mv square is equal to mgh. This is your first one. Mv square is equal to mgh. Half constant. I'm not going to take the half from now. So only on the physical quantities மட்டும்தான் எனக்கு தேவை. M is your mass, V is your velocity. Okay, it is nothing but kinetic energy is equal to potential energy relation. Mass and சொல்லும்போது it is nothing but your m. Velocity is nothing but LT power minus 1 whole square. Okay, the relation is m L square T power minus 2, which is equal to m is your mass, m power 1. G, acceleration due to gravity, it is LT power minus 2. H is your height, which is equal to length, m L square T power minus 2. Both are same, so that is LHS is equal to RHS. So first one is correct. Okay, let's see the second one. Second one வந்து இங்க subtraction இருக்கு. So the relation is F is equal to, it is a half m v square minus half m u square. So u v very difference illa, sorry, Fs is equal to u v very difference illa, ஏன்னா வந்து both are having same units. Okay, so v is your velocity, u is your initial velocity. So let's see. So minus இருக்கிறதுனால I'm going to split it. Fs is equal to half m v square and comma, and Fs is equal to half m u square. So here, because dimensions, we are not going to consider the constant terms, we are removing the constants. So F is nothing but your, it is m, remember not the dimensions, convert m, L, T power minus 2. Don't convert into newtons again. Into displacement is L. So it is m, L square, T power minus 2, which is equal to, m is your mass. So it is m, v is your velocity, L square, T power minus 2. So which is equal to m L square T power minus 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So let's see the next term. So Fs same m L square T power minus 2. ரெண்டுமே same தான், m L square T power minus 2. So because u and v both are having same units, so the second equation is correct. Okay. Let's see the third one. So எனக்கு third one equation. Third equation எப்படின்னா, so third equation, let's do it like this. Oh. Shift பண்றேன். Shift here. You can take it. Okay. So let's see the third one. So இது வந்து first and second தான் இது. So இது second and இது first. Third one பார்க்கலாம். Third one வந்து lambda is equal to your h by mv. M is mass, v is equal to velocity. Lambda is nothing but your wavelength and சொல்லிருக்கேன். Wavelength again unit it is nothing but your meter unit. Dimensions சொல்லும்போது L power 1. Okay, which is equal to Planck's constant already சொல்லிருக்கேன், m L square T power minus 1 divided by mass is nothing but m and velocity is LT power minus 1. So m will get cancelled, L will get cancelled, LT power minus 1 will get cancelled. So it is L. LHS is equal to your RHS. So the third equation is right. Okay, so this is your third equation. Okay, this is also correct. Let's see the fourth one. Fourth one வந்து கொஞ்சம் டிஃபிகல்ட்டா இருக்கு, ஏன்னா ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் வருது. இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா, ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் வந்ததுனால ரெண்டு வேஸ் இருக்கு, நீங்க வந்து எது இன்ட்ரெஸ்டோ யூ கேன் டு இட். இந்த ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் ஐ ஷிஃப்ட் டுவர்ட்ஸ் யுவர் லெஃப்ட் சைட். ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் நான் வந்து லெஃப்ட் சைட் ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணிடுறேன். ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும், இட் இஸ் யுவர் வி ஸ்கொயர். ஸோ வி ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 2gm by r, which is equal to 2 constant. So I'm not going to take that 2. So g is your universal gravitational constant. Already நம்ம dimensions பார்த்திருக்கோம் for the universal gravitational constant. So the relation is capital G is nothing but your m power minus 1, நல்லா பாருங்க, m power minus 1 L cube T power minus 2. m power minus 1 L cube T power minus 2 into mass is nothing but m. R is nothing but your radius L, length. Okay, m power minus 1 m cancel, L cancel. So it is L square T power minus 2. Okay, நல்லா பாருங்க, இங்க v square இருக்கு. v னா velocity என்னது LT power minus 1. Square இருக்குன்னா L square T power minus 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is your fourth relation. இது correct தான். Okay, let's see the fifth one. Same thing, இங்க square root இருக்கு, constant terms இருக்குதுங்க. I'm not going to take the constant terms. So I'll remove the constant. So it is a t is equal to root L by g. Pi value constant தாமா, அது வந்து மிஸ் பண்ணாதீங்க, அது variable கிடையாது, constant. I'll take t square is equal to L by g. நீங்க வந்து அந்த ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்டே எடுத்துக்கலாம், L பவர் 1/2 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம், ஆர் இது வந்து t ஸ்கொயரா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். சப்போஸ் இது நான் வந்து எப்படி சொல்றேன்னா, இட் இஸ் ரிலேட்டட் டு யுவர் MCQs பேஸ் பண்ணி. ஸ்கூல்ஸ்ல இது நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஸ்கூல்ஸ்ல எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா, ஸ்கூல்ல ஐ ஹேவ் டு டைரக்ட்லி டேக் t மட்டும் தான் நான் எடுத்துக்கணும். ஸோ t இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு, ஸோ இது ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் இருக்கிறதுனால ஐ டேக் பவர் 1/2. L is nothing but your length. L divided by g is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity Lt power minus 2. So the relation is L power 1/2 divided by L power 1/2 into t power minus 2 into 1/2. 2 will get cancelled. L power 1/2, L power 1/2 will get cancelled, which is equal to 1 by t power minus 1. T power minus 1 inverse, it is a t power 1. So t is equal to t. Okay, this is your relation. Okay, so fifth one is also correct, right? So in the matter step by step you have to solve. Please take it. The doubts in the please let me know. இது பேசிக் தான், இப்போதான் நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றோம். There are so many problems are there. Step by step நம்ம problem. Please take it. Is it over now? So those are having doubts, please let me know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Others? Okay. Super. Okay, good. So let's see. Koncham difficulty increase panna, and see what are the questions I am going to explain you now. These are important questions for your NEET. Okay. Let's see. So then the next set of questions. இதே மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் difficulty இருக்கும். Let's see. So the questions are, first one. V is equal to 1 by 2L square root of T by M. V is equal to 1 by 2L square root of T by M. So here V is your velocity of sound. V is your velocity of sound. Okay. L is your length of the string. L is your length of the string. T is your tension in the string. T is your tension. T is your tension. Sorry, V on the velocity கிடையாது. V on the frequency. So V is your frequency. Frequency is nothing but your 1 by time period. Frequency is nothing but your 1 by time period. Okay. So the length M is nothing but your mass per unit length. Mass per unit length. நல்லா பாத்துக்கோங்க, mass per unit length na the relation வந்து M by L இது. Okay, இதோட யூனிட் வந்து நல்லா பாத்துக்கோங்க, M ஓட யூனிட் வந்து it is nothing but your mass per unit length ன்னு சொல்றோம்ல. So it is mass M kg per meter or kg meter inverse. Remember this. Okay. So it is your first one. Second question on the f is equal to it is a root x plus bt square. F is equal to a root x plus bt square. So same thing, LHS is equal to RHS மாதிரி இங்க இருந்து split பண்ணிட்டு பண்ணணும் part. Here in this case what we need to find, we are going to find the dimensions of a and b separately. A and b dimensions find out பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா then I need to find a divided by b. What is the dimensions for a by b? இதுதான் நீங்க find out பண்ணணும். Third question, p is equal to b minus x square divided by at. P is equal to b minus x square by at. So in your second question la vandu f is your force, x is your displacement, t is your time. Same thing here, p is equal to, p is your power, x is your distance or displacement, t is your time. Okay, so here also what we need to find, we are going to find a and b. After finding a and b, we are going to find a star b, that is a into b multiplication. You need to find the fourth question. So fourth question வந்து நீங்க ideal gas equation மாதிரி தான் van der Waals equation சொல்றோம். It will be there in your chemistry. So p plus a by v square into v minus b is equal to RT. P plus a by v square into v minus b is equal to RT. This is your relation. So P is your pressure. Van der Waals equation, the same thing. P is equal to pressure. V is your volume. Okay. So R on the ideal gas constant. T is equal to your temperature. So these are the four questions now. Okay. So just try to find first one around. நீங்க first one மட்டும் பண்ணுங்க. So மத்ததெல்லாம் நான் explain பண்றேன். Please try to do first one. Please take the questions first of all. நான் erase பண்ணிடுறேன். Take the questions. Overma, questions note பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Just take the questions first. Okay, I'm going to erase the questions. Okay, good one. Okay, good. So first of all, the first question நீங்க வந்து நீங்களே explain பண்ணிடலாம். So balance questions I'll do it. So let me explain. Let me take it. I'll shift here. Okay, good. So let's see. I'll take one by one. I'll remove these things. Okay, I'll just explain the first question. First question என்னன்னா, we are going to find the LHS and RHS. Let's see. So V என்ன சொல்லிருக்கேன், V is nothing but your frequency. Frequency வந்து 1 by time period. 1 by time period னு சொல்லும்போது it is a T inverse dimensions. Okay. So let's see one by one. So in this case, we are going to find the dimensions here. Okay. இது T inverse. Okay. So which is equal to இது வந்து 1 by 2L. 1 by 2L னு சொல்லிட்டு 1 by 2 நான் எடுக்க மாட்டேன், and 1 is length L. So square root of T on the tension. Remember, tension and force both are having same units, which is equal to newtons. So it is M L T power minus 2 divided by M is nothing but your mass per unit length and so like. Remember, mass per unit length, that is M by L, that is M L power minus 1 whole power 1 by 2. Mm cancel ஆயிடும். நல்லா பாருங்க, mm will get cancelled. And L power minus 2 reverse ஆயிடுச்சுனா it will be L square. So it is L square T power minus 2 whole power 1 by 2. Okay. And 1 by L divide பண்றது. So நான் வந்து square root எடுத்துட்டேன்னா என்ன வரும் 1 by L into t power minus 1. L will get cancelled, so it is a t power minus 1. So t power minus 1, t power minus 1. So the equation is correct. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, this is your first question. Let's see the second one. Second one நான் என்ன find out பண்ணணும், so I need to find A and B ன்னு சொல்லிருக்கேன். So as usual நான் என்ன பண்றேன், I'm going to split it. So equation நான் split பண்றேன், that is f is equal to a root x and f is equal to bt square. So from this relation a is equal to f by root x and b is equal to f by t square. Okay, f is nothing but your force, x is your displacement. எப்படி f is nothing but your m l t power minus 2 divided by L power 1 by 2. Okay, and B is nothing but your, I'll remove this one. So B is nothing but your, it is M L T power minus 2 divided by T square. Okay, let's see. So the L power minus 2 reverse section and numerator position, it will be minus M L. Now power terms minus 1 minus 1 by 2 T power minus 2. So which is equal to M L power. This is the power term of 1 minus 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2. So it is a t power minus 2. This is your A. Okay. Now B part. It is M L t power minus 2 into t power minus 2. So which is equal to M L t power minus 4. Okay. So this is your B. What I need to find? I need to find A by B and so A by B is equal to M L power 1 by 2 t power minus 2 divided by M L t power minus 4. M cancel agum. Power terms L power 1 by 2 minus 1 t power minus 2 plus 4. Suppose உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது difficulty இருந்தா please let me know. Just வந்து numerator வந்து denominator வந்து numerator தான் நான் convert பண்றேன். L power 1 by 2 minus 1. It is nothing but L power minus 1 by 2. T power minus 2 plus 4. So it is nothing but your t square. This is your A by B from the second one. Okay. So please take it. This is second one. Let's see similar thing. Third one வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். இது நிறைய தடவை நான் வந்து பார்த்துருக்கேன். ஸோ தேர்ட் ஒன்ல வந்து கொஞ்சம் பார்க்கறது டிஃபிகல்ட்டா இருக்கும், பட் ஈஸி தான். ஸோ இது வரைக்கும் வந்து வாட் எவர் வி ஹவ் டன், இங்க நியூமரேட்டர் தனியா இருக்கு, டினாமினேட்டர்ல வந்து பிளஸ் அண்ட் மைனஸ் இல்ல, நியூமரேட்டர் பிளஸ் அண்ட் மைனஸ் எதுவுமே வரல. நவ் ஹியர் தேர் இஸ் எ மைனஸ் டேர்ம் இன் பிட்வீன். ஸோ இன் திஸ் டைப் ஆஃப் ரிலேஷன்ஸ் எனக்கு வந்து ஏ பி ஸ்பிளிட் பண்ணணும்னா ஜஸ்ட் ரிமெம்பர் இட், எனக்கு ஏ குவான்டிட்டி எனக்கு வேணும்னா ஐ ஹாவ் டு நெக்லெக்ட் பி. B எனக்கு வேணும்னா I have to neglect A. And remember one more thing. இந்த மாதிரி B minus x square இல்ல P plus A by V square இந்த மாதிரி வந்துச்சுன்னா directly you can equate it. Equate in the sense B minus x square. Okay. So B minus x square is equal to 0. So B is equal to x square. Directா நீங்க equate பண்ணலாம். இந்த மாதிரி terms வரும்போது numerator denominator இல்ல multiplication நல்லா பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Multiplicationலோ divisionலோ இந்த மாதிரி terms வரும்போது you can equate it directly. Okay, அது பிளஸ்ஸா வராது மைனஸ் வராது, ஜஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேட் இட். ஸோ த ரிலேஷன் எனக்கு வந்து b is equal to x square. ஸோ b எனக்கு வந்துருச்சு. Now what we are going to find? We are going to find A in this relation. So the relation is எனக்கு வந்து b தெரிஞ்சதுனால I am neglecting b completely. நான் வந்து b neglect பண்றேன். b neglect பண்ணும்போது என்ன வரும்? It is x square by at ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. Okay, and p is your power. Power ஓட யூனிட் என்னது? It is work by time. Okay. So power is nothing but your work by time. So work by time and so we already know the relation. So work is nothing but your M L and T. So it is power is equal to, it is a work by time. Okay. So work is nothing but your M L square T power minus 2 divided by T. So the relation will be M L square T power minus 3. Okay. This is your power. Now what I'll do now in the relation அப்படியே. So it is M L square T power minus 3 is equal to, it is L square divided by A into T. T is nothing but your time. Now எனக்கு A வேணும். So A is equal to L square divided by M L square T power minus 3 into T. Okay, L square will get cancelled. Okay, so M வந்து numerator போகும், numerator போயிடுச்சுன்னா the relation will be, okay, I'll write here. Better I'll write here. So those are having difficulty, please let me know. So now கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்டாவே மூவ் பண்றேன். So I'll write here now. And there is it. So I'll write here. So A is equal to, it is x square by P into T. So x வந்து நான் length square ன்னு சொல்றேன். This is your L square divided by P is M L square T power minus 3 into T. So L square cancel ஆயிடுச்சு. T power minus 3 plus 1 T power minus 2. So it is M power minus 1 T power 2. இது வந்து A. Okay, எனக்கு A தெரியும் and B தெரியும். B is equal to L square. What I have to find? I need to find A cross B. A cross B is equal to, it is M power minus 1 L square T square. This is your A cross B. Okay, so in the 4 questions, please take fifth question. I mean, sorry, in the 3 questions note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Fourth question we'll see it later. Okay, please take it now. So those are having doubts, please let me know. நான் கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்டா தான் மூவ் பண்றேன். ஏதாவது ஸ்டெப் ஏதாவது மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு, ஏதாவது டிஃபிகல்ட்டி இருந்தா let me know. I'll explain. சரி. பண்ணிக்கலாம். சத்யா என்ன பண்றீங்க? என்ன பண்றீங்க? ஒரு 2 2 3 3 சொல்லிட்டு எல்லாம் கீறி வச்சிருக்கீங்க. எல்லா பேருக்கும் தெரியும் அது. சரியா? ஓகே. டெலீட் பண்ணுங்க. நான் டெலீட் பண்ண முடியாது. நீங்க தான் டெலீட் பண்ண முடியும் அது. ம். ஓகே. நான் முன்னாடி சொல்லிடுறேன். யாராவது போர்டு மேல வந்து இந்த மாதிரி கிறுக்கி கிறுக்கி வச்சிருக்கீங்கன்னா, அவங்க நேம் தெரியும். ஓகே. வீடியோ ரெக்கார்ட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. அந்த நேம் கிளியரா தெரிஞ்சிரும்மா. ஓகே. ரைட். ஹேவ் யூ டேக்கன் இட்? ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா? ஓகேவா? let's see the fourth one. So fourth one மட்டும் நான் சொல்றேன். So after that I'll leave you. And in the week test வந்து depends upon these terms only. ரொம்ப important topics இது. Dimension analysis miss பண்ணாதீங்க. So கண்டிப்பா 15 marks. நீங்க வந்து சில பேர் அட்டெண்டே பண்ணல. Only 12 or 13 people only attended. இதே மாதிரி போயிட்டே இருந்தா I won't keep any exams. Just நான் class மட்டும் தான் எடுக்கிறேன். Practice-ஏ இருக்காது. So keep on going like this. ஓகே நீங்க ப்ராக்டிஸே பண்ணலன்னா எனக்கு டைம் வேஸ்ட் தான் அது அதை வந்து அப்லோட் பண்ணிட்டு இது வந்து இது பண்ணிட்டு அதெல்லாம் தேவையில்லை எனக்கு. ஓகே இட்ஸ் அப் டு யூ. லெட்ஸ் see the fourth question. Fourth question. So the relation is taken the relation, right? So the relation is p plus, it is your van der Waals equation, p plus a by v square into v minus b is equal to rt. This is your term. நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லிட்டேன் here in this case we are going to find ab வந்து நான் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணேன் இந்த கேஸ்ல. ஓகே ab தனித்தனியா நான் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணேன். in this case நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லிட்டேன் இந்த மாதிரி பிளஸ் வரும்போது we have to equate it ன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். இங்க வந்து மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் இருக்கு பிளஸ் மைனஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ரிலேஷன்ஸ் வரும்போது we have to equate it. அது எப்படி ஈக்குவேட் பண்றதுன்னா p is equal to a by v square and v is equal to b. So let's see. நான் எனக்கு வந்து a வேணும். So from this relation a is equal to p into v square and v is equal to b. So P is nothing but your pressure and so pressure relation is nothing but your force by area. V is nothing but your volume. Okay, let's see the relations பார்க்கும்போது it is m l t power minus 2 divided by area. Area is nothing but your L square. So L will get cancelled. So it is m L inverse t power minus 2 into volume. Volume வந்து it is L cube. நல்லா பார்த்துக்கோங்க volume nothing but your L cube. But L cube whole square இருக்கு. ஏன்னா வந்து v square. So let's see the relations. It is m L power minus 1 t power minus 2 L power 6 which is equal to m L power 5 t power minus 2. So this is your dimension for the constant A. Okay, and let's see for the B. So B is nothing but your volume. Volume is nothing but your L cube. So this is the one. Okay, and இதோட unit and சொல்லும்போது the unit is nothing but your kg, L is nothing but your meter, m power 5 second power minus 2. இதோட unit இது SI unit MKS. And இதோட unit and சொல்லும்போது it is nothing but your meter cube. Okay, please take it. This is your fourth one. So those are having doubts, so please ask me. Okay, for your practice I'll give a screenshot just for your practice one. Those who can able to do it, please do it. Now on the homework கொடுக்கிறேன். So next week I'll discuss these terms. Just I'll take only 3 to 4 sums, that's it. அதுக்கு மேல நான் கொடுக்க மாட்டேன். Okay, I sent you a screenshot to your WhatsApp group. So please complete that. It's your homework. Maybe இது பேஸ் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு வந்து நாளைக்கு Thursday வந்து எக்ஸாம் வரலாம். Okay, please complete it. So any doubts ma? Others? No sir, no doubts sir. Okay ma, thank you. So we'll stop here. I'll share you these screenshots to your group and as well as the recording to the YouTube. Okay, thank you.
Okay sir, thank you sir.
Yeah, man, thanks.
Thank you sir.